Oh, they're not there anymore.
They're not there.
Oh, yes. Are you ready to get sprayed?
Yes.
Alright. Let's have fun.
Oh, man.
Are you already scared, dude?
No.
Oh, and we're going down. Oh, no, you're gonna be in the back. Oh, crap. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, my foot. Your turn. Your turn. Oh, fuck.
Nobody's getting it.
Oh, we're being watched. We're being stalked.
Yeah, there's cameras everywhere, dude.
No, I mean like the girls.
Oh. It's because we're two men with GoPros.
Oh my god. Oh, this is cool. I'm afraid to keep my walk.
This is awesome. I love this ride.
Oh my god. We're gonna have to go a second time for sure.
Oh, here we go.
Woo! I'm in the back. Say hello to Brody and his nice GoPro.
Yeah.
Now, only if they had like fish in here or something.
Who says they don't?
The clear water. Oh no, no, no! I don't want to be in the back.
It's gonna be me. Wait, no, it's gonna be you.
Wait. It's gonna be me. Ah, but. Oh, oh, that's cold. Oh, dude, I don't even have to go to the water park with this crap. Oh my god. Dude, wait, you need that.
No! Oh, that was cold! It got me!
You deserved it. You deserved it. Oh no. Oh crap.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh,
Oh, dude, it's terrible. Oh, crusty boot snack. Dude, I'm all wet. So is my GoPro. Hello. I should have brought my damn stick.
oh man. Please let me go backwards this time. Yes.
My backpack.
No, no, it's turning. I want to go.
Turn it now. Ah. How do we? No, 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 no. Oh, it's gonna be halfway.
It's gonna be fast. Oh,
No, I don't want to be backwards. Oh, boy.
that was aggressive.
Shoot, all we got is blinking lights. All we got is blinking lights.
Oh, so tired.
Dude, all we got is blinking lights. Say hello to my blinking light. Amazing. I think we're finished. Why did I go backwards the whole time?
Okay, rebuckle your seatbelt for him.
Rebuckle?
Yeah, so he doesn't have to do it.
Unbuckle, you mean?
When you unbuckle, rebuckle when you get off, alright? Save him a lot of time.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm very uncomfortable. I do not consent.
Two on one side, two on the other. Brody knows what to do.
We're gonna do every other seat.
Sick. That works as well.
Yes, it does. Here, I'll do this one for you. I picked the wettest spot, by the way.
What do you mean?
No, I meant to get wet. Remember last time?
You have cover though.
I'm questioning whether or not this was a good decision or not.
This is actually a good idea. Okay, bye everybody.
I'm a big kid now.
Alright, can everyone tap on their seatbelt for me real quick?
Have a good day.
My seatbelt is tiny, tiny.
Are you all ready?
No,
They're not there. Wait, no, wait.
You got a nickel.
somebody's over there with the tremors.
No, they're sparing us.
They're sparing us. What?
There's no one there, guys.
You got spared.
Trust me, I work here 24/7.
You got spared.
Oh no. I told you.
Oh, yes, it's your turn. No, it's both of us to step off.
You chose to sit next to each other. You guys are idiots.
Yeah, you'll get over there.
Okay.
No, you're being watched on camera, so you can't.
No, don't. They have cameras. They'll stop the ride.
I'm not doing that. That's stupid.
Ah, Brody, feel it. Ah, feel it.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh no, I'm gonna have so much shoes again.
That is the break that I kind of do.
Yay, kind of
I thought I'd be like living. Ah! I am so glad to say it was sorry.
Brody.
As long as I get the fast part, I'm fine. I want the fast
Oh,
part.
shoot. No. I don't want to get hit by it.
No, push it so that guy goes down.
I don't want to get hit by the stupid fountain.
Nope.
Oh,
I'm pushing it.
Oh,
No, I'm going so backward. What?
Oh, it's you. No, it's both of us.
more you know.
Oh!
Damn!
Okay.
Oh! You're gonna get the waterfall, Sawyer! No, you're gonna get it! You're gonna get it!
Oh, man, it's coming again. Cannot anymore.
Oh, Sawyer!
Touchdown.
Please let me get that part.
We all go.
Oh, it's just.
It's so the water goes.
It's also the thing that drains the boat, so be thankful. No, let me go. I want to go. I want to go. I want to go. I want to go. No, I want to go. That's my favorite part. No, it's you, Sawyer. Oh!
That's cool.
Oh! There's the camera. I have a camera.
Brody, you got the area I didn't want. Dude, I wonder if they would have somebody there to steer would just sit back.
That'd be crazy. That'd be actually crazy.